Paano nga ba mag-change ng simple statement into conditional statement? Tara't pag-usapan natin yan dito. Manood, makinig, mag-enjoy at matuto. Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is YouMore PH. Andito na naman ang pabibo ninyong guro na punong-puno ng humor and willing to give you more. Narito ako para tulungan ka, na tulungan ang sarili mong matuto sa pamamagitan ng math pinadali, math pinasaya, at math pina-exciting na mathematics lesson. Now, if you find this video helpful, please wag mong kakalimutan na mag-subscribe and i-click ang notification bell para updated ka sa mga latest videos natin dito sa ating channel. And don't also forget to share this to your friends, to your classmates, ate, kuya, tita or tito, mama or papa, na kailangan din ng ganitong mga lessons. Alright? And without further ado, let's get to our discussion. Hi everyone! Welcome sa lesson natin ngayong araw. So for today, we're going to discuss about writing simple statements into an if-then or conditional statements. Right? So let's get this lesson started. Alright, so start tayo sa pagkilala sa kung ano nga ba ang conditional statements. Right? So by definition, ang conditional statements are those statements. Conditional statements are those statements where the hypothesis is followed by a conclusion. It is also known as the if-then statements. Yung mga if ganto, then ganyan, yung mga ganong statements ay tinatawag na conditional statements. Okay, so yun. So, I guess familiar kayo doon. Sa English, subjects ninyo, you are doing that. So, yung mga if-then na meron doon, tinatawag yun sa math as conditional statements. Wherein, meron kayong hypothesis, tapos merong conclusion. Parang cause and effect din siya. Alright. So, ganito. Examples. So, if I study my lesson in math, then I will pass my exam. Okay? So, kapag nag-aral daw ako ng math, or ng lesson namin sa math, then I will pass my exam. Alright? So, this is an example of conditional statements, or the if-then statements. Okay? May if, tapos may then. So, yung part ng if, yung part dito sa if, yun yung hypothesis. Yung part naman ng then, yun naman yung conclusion. So, kapag nag-aral ako, anong mangyayari? So, that is for the part of the conclusion. So, yung conclusion naman, what did I do? Anong ginawa ko? Bakit ako pumasa? Yun yung hypothesis. Okay? So, hypothesis, again, para mas madali ninyong makuha, ito yan. Yung if, yung kasama ng if, hypothesis yan. Yung kasama ng then conclusion. Okay? So, hypothesis here is, I study my lesson in math. Right? I study my lesson in math. So, nawala yung if, kasi we're just asked to have, or to identify hypothesis, tapos conclusion. Tapos yung conclusion natin is, I will pass my exam. Okay? So, ganun lang. Ito yung magiging task natin today. Mag-identify tayo ng hypothesis, conclusion, tapos mag-translate ng simple statement into conditional statements. So, there would be times, of course, na as we go along our discussion, merong mga mababawas na word, madadagdag na word, kasi kailangan para maging mas complete yung thought na maibigay natin. So, kailangan marunong din tayong mag-isip ng mga idadagdag o ibabawas for as long as yung translation natin ay the same pa rin yung thought dun sa nauuna. Okay? What do I mean by that? Ato na. Sige. Let's have our examples. Change the statements into an if-then or conditional statements. Then identify the hypothesis and conclusion. So, I have here, for examples, today. Ayan. So, number 1, today is Monday, yesterday was Sunday. So, hindi pa siya naka-if-then. So, gagawin mo siyang if-then muna, tapos identify mo yung hypothesis, tapos conclusion. Eating a balanced diet makes you healthy. triangle has 3 sides, a square has 2 pairs of parallel sides. So, sige. Let's have number 1. Today is Monday, yesterday was Sunday. Ang task natin, gawin mo muna siyang if-then statement. Okay? So, if I'm going to do that, yung conditional statement muna, conditional statement. Alright, so ganito yan. If, dagdag lang ako ng if today is Monday, then, yesterday was Sunday. Ganyan lang. Ayan, so meron na tayong if-then statement. Diba? Naka-if na siya and naka-then. So this is our hypothesis and this is our conclusion. Okay, if today is Monday, then yesterday was Sunday. Alright, so that's for conditional statement. Meron pa tayong task. Ano daw ang hypothesis? Sorry. Ano daw yung hypothesis? Tapos ano daw yung conclusion? Hypothesis ay, eto, today is Monday. Today is Monday. Then, ano naman yung conclusion? So, for conclusion, eto, yung then na part. Yesterday was Sunday. So, yesterday was Sunday. Ayan, as simple as that. So, yung task, meron tayong simple statement, hindi pa siya naka-if then, gawin mo siya into if-then statement. If today is Monday, then yesterday was Sunday. Diba? Hypothesis. Hypothesis, yung if part. Yung if na part. So, today is Monday yon. Okay? Then, for conclusion, yung then na part. Yesterday was Sunday. So, that is the answer. Okay, so, ito na yon. That's the answer for number 1. Okay, so sige, let's proceed to number 2. Eating a balanced diet makes you healthy. So, gawa muna tayo ng conditional statement. So, paikliin ko na lang. CS stands for conditional statements. Alright. So, gawin ko tong conditional statements. Eating a balanced diet makes you healthy. Kapag ginawa ko siyang ganito, parang ang pangit tignan. If eating a balanced diet then makes you healthy. Diba? Parang ang pangit pakinggan. Parang may kulang. Alright? Kung dinagdagan mo lang to ng if, tapos dinagdagan mo lang dito ng then. Diba? Parang ang pangit niya ng pakinggan. Basahin ko ulit. If eating a balanced diet, then makes you healthy. Parang may something doon sa sentence. Although I'm not an expert in English, pero, diba? When we hear something sa English, alam mo din or aware ka din na parang may mali. Kasi hindi siya magandang pakinggan. So, ganito yung gagawin natin. If you nga pala ang nilagay dito. So, since you ang pronoun na ginamit, so you din ang gagamitin natin. If you eat a balanced diet, then it will make you healthy. Make you healthy. Healthy. Ayan. So, ito na. Ito yung ating translation. Again, if you eat a balanced diet, then it will make you healthy. So, you have to look at the pronoun as well, yung mga ginagamit. Baka I, you, yung mga ganon. So, check mo din. Kasi gagamitin ko sana yung if I eat. Pero you nga pala ang nakalagay dito. So, you have to be parallel with kung ano man yung tinatranslate natin. Alright? So, if you eat a balanced diet, then it will make you healthy. Diba? So, mas magandang pakinggan ito compared dun sa if eating a balanced diet, then makes you healthy. Ha? So, may mga times na babaguhin talaga. So, nasa diskarte nyo na lang din yan. So, etong eating, ginawa ko na lang na eat. If you eat a balanced diet, then it will make you healthy. Okay? So, that's for conditional statement. And if you can think of another way, basta yung thought ay the same lang dito, Ayan, so pwede yun. Actually, napakadaming versions kasi ng pagta-translate. Hindi lang yung gagawin ni Sir dito ang tamang sagot. Napakadaming versions niyan. For as long as yung thought naman ang sinasabi ninyo sa sentence ninyo ay kapareho ng thought na nasa given sa inyo. Okay? So just make sure na hindi naman siya hindi magandang pakinggan. Okay? Next for hypothesis. Hype na lang. Hype, at yan, you eat a balanced diet. So dito ka natitingin sa conditional statement. So you eat a balanced diet. Alright? Then for conclusion, ayun na lang. For conclusion, it will make you healthy. It will make you healthy. Alright? So after mong gawin yung if then, saka mo identify yung hypothesis tapos conclusion. So yung if na part, dun sa ginawa mo ay siyang magiging hypothesis, you eat a balanced diet, tapos conclusion, it will make you healthy. It will make you healthy. Okay? So that's it. Again, tandaan, may mga times na nag-work yung magdadagdag ka lang ng if tapos then, tapos okay naman na pakinggan yung ating sentence. It works. Just like for example number 1, di ba nag-if then lang tayo? Pero may mga iba naman na kailangan mong gumawa ng paraan, diskartehan, para mas umayos naman. Somehow, yung ating thought nung sinusulat natin. Right? So that's it. Let's have number 3. Triangle has 3 sides. Alright, so try natin kung mag-work dito ang if-then na dagdag, na singit. Okay, conditional statement muna. If triangle, pakinggan nyo kung okay to. If triangle, then has 3 sides. If triangle then has 3 sides, parang may mali. Diba? Kasi hindi siya maganda pakinggan. So, aayusin natin. So, pwede siyang, if it is a triangle, then it has 3 sides. Pwede yung ganon. If it is a triangle, then it has 3 sides. Sulat ko. If it is a triangle, so nagdagdag na ako ng it is a triangle, then it has 3 sides. Has 3 sides. Okay, so ato, mas okay na yan. Pero actually, ang mas prefer ko dito para mas malinaw, ang ginagawa ko, kunwari, triangle. Ano ba yung klase yung triangle? Ano ba siya? Yeah, I am asking myself, ano ba yung triangle? This is a figure. This is a shape. So, ang ginagawa ko dyan, another translation, ato pwede na to. Another one is, pwede ko siyang isulat as like this. If the figure, ito na lang natin. If alright, so ito yung mas gusto kong translation niya. If the figure is a triangle, then it has 3 sides. Okay, sorry. So, 3 sides, tuldok. Ganyan. So, pero, sabi ko nga, okay na naman yung una. Understandable naman. Same thing with this one. Same yung thought. Pero, mas prefer ko lang na gamitin or lagyan siya ng additional, which is yung figure. If the figure is a triangle, then it has 3 sides. Alright. So, for hypothesis, hype. So, dito ko na lang kukunin sa pangalawa. Pero yung una, sige na nga, dalawa na. Hypothesis plus conclusion. Actually, kasi dapat isa lang na conditional statement. Pero, I just showed you na pwedeng magkaiba talaga. Magkaiba tayo ng sagot. So, hypothesis dito sa una ha. Sa una muna tayo sa number 1. So, ang unang hypothesis, tapos ang unang conclusion. It is a triangle. So, for the hypothesis part, eto yun. It is a triangle. Next, for the conclusion part, it has 3 sides. It has 3 sides. Okay. Next, for number 2, pangalawang hypothesis, pangalawang conclusion. So, the figure is a triangle. It has 3 sides for the conclusion. Ayan. So, that's it. Again, ulitin ko lang ha, i-reiterate ko lang ulit. Sa conditional naman, kahit isa lang yung isagot ninyo. Okay, isa lang. Tapos, edi ibig sabihin, isa lang na hypothesis tapos conclusion. In this case, I just showed you kung paano na possible din naman pala na magkaiba yung isagot namin ni teacher. Possible yun. Basta yung thought naman ay the same dito sa unahan. Okay? Ayan. So, let's have the last example. A square has 2 pairs of parallel sides. So, gagamitin ko ulit yung mas prefer ko. So, since ang square ay, try muna natin kung mag-work yung if-then na isisingit lang. If a square then has 2 pairs of parallel sides. Diba ang baho? Or hindi siya magandang pakinggan, sorry. Hindi siya magandang pakinggan. So, ang gawin natin, ayusin natin. Magdagdag tayo or magbawas, depende sa kung anong magpapaayos ng ating sentence. Conditional, gawin mong if-then. If the figure is a square, then it has 2 pairs of parallel sides. Okay? So, if the figure is a square, then it has 2 pairs of parallel sides. At yung ano din, yung isa mag-work din yon. Yung if it is a square, then it has 2 pairs of parallel sides. Pwede rin yan. Para mas prefer ko nga ito. Alright, so hypothesis, the figure is a square. So, hindi lang laging figure ha, pwede rin shape. If the shape is a square, pwede yon. Next, conclusion. It has 2 pairs of parallel sides. Alright, so, madali lang naman siya. Yung paggawa ng mga sentences, ang medyo tasky. Alright, so it has 2 pairs of parallel sides. Again, ang hypothesis ay yung if na part, tapos yung then na part is conclusion. Alright, so that's for our examples. Now, it's your turn naman to translate simple sentences into conditional statements or the if-then statements. Alright, so change the statements into an if-then statement or conditional statements. Then identify the hypothesis and conclusion. Alright, so I'll pause for a while now and I'll get back to you the answer. But if you still need time, feel free to pause the video. Your timer starts now. Alright, time's up. So let's answer number 1. When I wake up early tomorrow, I will not be late in school. So try ko muna kung kayang isingit yung if sa kayong then, tapos maganda na siyang tingnan or mabangong pakinggan. If, tapos then dito. If, when I wake up early tomorrow, then I will not be late in school. Parang maganda na yung then. Diba? Maganda na yung then na part. Then, I will not be late in school. Ngayon, ito, if when I wake up early tomorrow, parang may something na mali. So, pwede mong i-take out yung when. Try natin tanggalin yung when. If I wake up early tomorrow, then I will not be late in school. Diba? Maganda na siya. Alright, so, yun na yung conditional statements natin. If, I wake up early tomorrow. It happens ha, yung magka-cancel tayo ng mga words. It happens talaga. Then, I will not be late in school. May times na magdadagdag, may times din na magbabawas. If I wake up early tomorrow, then I will not be late in school. Ayan. So, maganda na siyang pakinggan. Then, conclusion natin, hypothesis muna pala. Right? So, if you have another translation, tapos feeling nyo naman na nagawa nyo or naipalabas nyo yung thought ng mismong sentence, then that's fine. Kasi, I cannot guarantee na yung sagot ko ay sagot din ninyo. Okay? So, if ever naman na sure kayo, or you may ask your sister, or kung sino man ang nasa bahay, kung pareho ba yung thought, para i-check kung tama ba kayo na pagkakatranslate. Okay? So, you may ask your elders, mga mas matanda sa inyo. Alright, so hypothesis. If, I wake up. I wake up early tomorrow. Alright. Then for conclusion, I will not be late in school. Alright, so this is the answer for number 1. Again, for conditional statements, we have, if I wake up early tomorrow, then I will not be late in school. So for hypothesis, I wake up early tomorrow. Then, for conclusion, I will not be late in school. Alright, so let's have number 2. All equilateral triangles are acute triangle. So dito, naka-generalize siya. Pero, so gagawa tayo ng if-then statement. Conditional statement. So, try ko yung if, tapos yung then. If, then. Basahin natin. If all equilateral triangles, then are acute triangles. Parang, hindi siya mag-work. So, gagawa natin ng paraan ulit. So, ito yung conditional statement niya. If a triangle is an equilateral triangle, then it is an acute triangle. Alright? So again, ito ang ating conditional statement. If a triangle is an equilateral triangle, then it is an acute triangle. Okay? So, may nadagdag tayo dito, yung triangle. So again, you have to ask yourself, kung magdadagdag ka man sa statement, tatanong mo lang, ano nga ba yung equilateral triangle? So, di ba yung equilateral triangle ay triangle din? So, pwede mong gamitin na description or descriptor yung triangle. If a triangle, di ba, is an equilateral triangle, then it is an acute triangle. Sir, nawala po yung all? Yes, nawala na yung all. Tapos yung mga plural dito. Kasi nga, yung conditional statement naman, naka-generalize na siya. Okay? Naka-generalize na yan, automatic. Kahit wala ng all yan, automatic na nilalahat niya yung statement. Okay? The next hypothesis, a triangle is an equilateral triangle. Sorry for my handwriting. Conclusion, it is an acute triangle. Ayan. So, this is now the answer for number 2. Ayan. So, again, I can't guarantee na yung sagot ninyo ay sagot ko din. So, if ever, kung meron nung kayo dyan na mas matanda sa inyo, na napag-aralan na ito, then, try nyong ipacheck sa kanila kung tama naman, or confident ka naman na naintindihan mo naman, na parang same thought naman, yung nagawa mong sentence dito sa ating given, then, okay na yon. good na dun. Good ka na dun. Alright? So, yan. So, this is the final answer. May final answer, actually. So, ganun lang. So, kung tama ka, kung tama yung pagkakatranslate mo, madali na naman si hypothesis sa conclusion. Okay? So, let me know kung tumama ka sa ating humor drill. Comment your answer sa ating comment section. And for me to congratulate you. Thank you so much for watching. If you learned a lot today, and I want to see you in your next video. Bye-bye! Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you've learned and enjoyed our lesson for today. And if you did, wag na wag kang aalis na hindi ka nakakapag-subscribe and nakakapag-click ng notification bell. And also, let me remind you again that you deserve more, you can learn more, and you can be more. #YouMorePH. Bye-bye! See you in our next video.